Good morning, learners, and welcome to this class. Today, we are not going to have the ordinary class. However, we are going to continue with our stream of classes on the topic of water. And this is where I will provide the assignment. And this assignment should be handwritten and submitted during the day of the CAT. That is next week, as I was informed by a class rep on Friday. So, today I want us to look at two important aspects of water. Number one is what we refer to as the water hardness and softness. In this assignment, I want you to distinguish between hard and soft water. That is, use definitions and their various features or characteristics. Number two, you need to distinguish between temporary and permanent hardness using their various characteristics. And in this case, I want you to explain the various causes and use equations, chemical equations. Number three, explain the effects of hard water. Number four, use in a table, show the classifications of water hardness. That is the various kinds of water hardness. Using a table, show the classification of water hardness. That is, show at what rate do you refer water to be hard or extremely hard or slightly hard or not hard at all. These have been done, some of these classifications have been done by the World Health Organization, the European Union, and the USGS, the United States Geological Service, and you will find some of their classifications with what you refer to as not hard water, slightly hard, considerable hard, or very hard water. Number five, you need to name the compounds that result to temporary and permanent hardness of water and include their chemical formulas and chemical equations, if any. Number six, you need to explain the ways in which temporary and permanent hardness can be alleviated or removed. This you need to show on how the chemical reactions of the various processes that are used to remove the hardness, either temporary or permanent. Also, our second part of the assignment is what we refer to as water purification, which is also another important aspect of water in this topic we will be covering. In this assignment, I want you to define the term water purification and explain the importance of purifying water, the various importances of purifying water, or why is purifying water important? Explain, please. Then there is number three, you need to name and describe the methods used in purifying water. Lastly, you need to describe the processes involved in water purification and treatment using balanced equations and schematic drawings where necessary. In this assignment, the assignment should be handwritten. And as you know, the university is ISO certified. Plagiarism or the copying of other people's work without acknowledging is not acceptable. If I see plagiarized assignment, it will lead to your failure. And remember, this is 5 marks of your 100. So if you want to leverage your marks as early as now, the best you can do is do your assignment correctly. Number three, and this is the very most important, is that you need to hand in your assignments during the first cut. Remember, the first cut, as I have been told by your class rep, is next week on 8th. Please hand in your assignment at that time. They should be handwritten and copying is not acceptable. Good day and all the best as you revise for your exam, for your CAT.